Hi friends, welcome to the French class. There is no age for learning. You can start at any moment. Today we're going to learn 40 common conversational phrases in French. To greet an elder, you say good morning. In French, you say bonjour. To say good afternoon, you say bon après-midi. Good evening, bonsoir. Good night, bonne nuit. In order to express pronoun, you say I, je, you, tu, he, il, she, elle, we, nous, you, plural, vous, they, male, il, they, female, elle. To answer a question, you say yes. In French, you say oui, no, no, please, s'il vous plaît, okay, the car, nothing, rien. To start an informal conversation, you usually say hello or hi, isn't it? In French, you say salut or bonjour. To ask what is your name, informally, you ask comment tu t'appelles? To ask an elder what is your name, you say comment vous appelez-vous?
My name is Je m'appelle.
To ask a friend or a sibling how are you, you ask comment ça va? And to ask an elder how are you ask comment allez-vous?
I'm fine, thank you. Ça va bien, merci. How about you? And you? Et toi? Or et vous? Not very well. Pas très bien. Terrible. Très mal. To ask a friend how old are you, you ask quel âge as-tu? To ask an elder how old are you ask quel âge avez-vous? To answer I'm dash years old, you say j'ai un. To say thank you say merci. Thank you so much or very much. Merci beaucoup. You're welcome, de rien. Pleased to meet you. Enchanté. Quite well. Assez bien. Like this, like that. Comme ci, comme ça. Usually, to wind up with conversations, we use phrases like until later, until next time, see you soon, etc. In order to say until later, you say à plus tard. Until next time, à la prochaine. See you soon. À bientôt. Goodbye. Au revoir. See you in a while. À tout à l'heure. Sorry, désolé. See you tomorrow. À demain. To others people, you usually say Mr., Mrs., Miss, isn't it? To say Mr. in French, you say Monsieur, Mrs., Madame, Miss, Mademoiselle. These are the 40 commonly used conversational phrases in French. Bye for now. Meet you in the next video. Don't hesitate to ask your questions below in the comments. Please do like, share, and subscribe.